Okay, today we are going to work a little bit more on our repeat after me. And I'm going to do this through here. I can create a blind contour drawing. So our inspiration for this project is a style by Jean Dubuffet. He was a French artist that we talked about. And we can see here that all of his lines connect like pieces of a puzzle. So we're going to go ahead and do our blind contour, and then we're going to add in the red and the blue to give it some contrast. So when you get back to your seats, the first thing that you're going to see in your box, you want to take out a piece of white paper. I will put my name and my class code. Flip it over and begin. Good job. So on your table you have your self-portrait mirrors. Remember, you flip the two sides, so you and your pencil friend are going to be looking into the mirror when it's time to draw. In your black basket, you're going to start with a big, thick Sharpie, and this is what we're going to be using to create the outline of our contour. So to start, I will be looking at myself, remember, not at the paper. I'm going to try and make it as big as I can on here, so I want to start up near the top, and I'm going to start with sort of the shape of my face. Remember, this is not meant to look realistic. This is meant to look, I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. This is meant to look, you know, different, like an exercise for your brain we've talked about. It's okay to peek at your paper some, and then flip back to the mirror. I'm going to come down here for my mouth. I'm going to put my shirt on here. And I'm going to add some segments through my hair because your hair has lots of different parts to it. And if I needed to add anything else in here, that looks pretty good. Now at this point, when I'm done with this, and you are going to pick up your marker boxes. Who can remind me what colors that we're going to be using? You have different shades. We've got a red that's big, we've got a red that's small, and we have a dark blue and a light blue. If your marker box is low on red or blue, or your red or blues are not working very good, on the rainbow table there is a box with some extra markers. If I take an extra marker, that looks like this, it must go back in the extra marker box. So I'm going to take my inspiration from Jean's artwork, and I'm just going to start. And remember, you're working in sections. Some sections we may want to just color all the way in. So maybe I want a blue section here, maybe a blue section here. Maybe over in here, I'm going to go with dark blue, and maybe I'll just make some thin stripes coming all the way down through here. The better you take your time on here, the better this is going to look. Bubbles, please. Now, we do not need to fill in all of our spaces, but our goal is to get a nice amount of contrast and design. So maybe over here, I'll put in some circles. Kind of looks like eyeballs. Okay, now I need some red. Maybe I'll color in so you're just going to keep going until you feel happy with your contoured portrait. When I'm done, I will take my masterpiece. I will show it to a friend. I will say, hey friend, do you think I should add anything to my artwork? Then I'm going to take my artist eyes. I'm going to look and see if there's anything that I could change or improve. Okay. Then I will show Miss Garvin. When I am all done, I'm going to put it on the rainbow table. I'm going to clean up. And if there is time, I will get one. Looks like I'm picking your nose. Piece of food draw. Or read a book.